Hey there! Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, the home of inspiration and knowledge. Today, we're diving into a powerful law, Law 21. You must out. Fail the competition. It's all about how embracing failure can skyrocket your chances of success. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and inspiration to fail your competition, and secure your path to success. But first, let me hit you with an incredible fact. Did you know that Thomas J. Watson, the legendary president of IBM and one of the most prominent entrepreneurs in the early 20th century, doubled down on failure to achieve massive success? That's right, his core principle was simple but profound. If you want to increase your success rate, double your failure rate. Thomas J. Watson understood that failure wasn't the enemy but the stepping stone to greatness. He believed that every time IBM advanced, it was because someone took a chance, put their head on the block, and tried something new. Imagine his mindset when asked whether to fire an employee who cost the company $600,000. Watson's response: "No, I just spent $600,000 training him. Why would I want somebody to hire his experience?" How can you apply Watson's wisdom in your life? Take booking. For example, the giant in the hotel booking industry. They didn't start big. They started small and failed many times. But they learned what their customers wanted through experiments. They tested, they measured, and they experimented. And guess what? Today, they're a $10 billion business with over 28 million listings in 43 languages worldwide. Booking.com believed in the power of experimentation so much that they even appointed a director of experimentation. They run 1,000 experiments as we speak, led by their product and tech teams. They credit their culture of out-failing their competition for their incredible success. But it's not just Booking.com. Amazon, the trillion-dollar e-commerce giant, follows the same fail-faster religion. Jeff Bezos, the man behind the empire, believes that failure and invention are inseparable twins. He thinks every decision should be an experiment. If you know it's going to work, it's not an experiment. Jeff Bezos' philosophy is that you can't be innovative without experimenting, and experiments come in all sizes. Amazon, too, has a massive graveyard of failures. But when they strike gold, like with Amazon Web Services, it changes their business trajectory, their secret. They experiment relentlessly. Now, let's get personal. I had the privilege of advising an industry-leading food e-commerce company with 2 brands under their belt, one run by the father, the other by the son. The son's brand skyrocketed because he failed his father by a factor of 10. He understood the power of failing faster. When my team brought innovations, the son was quick to act, saying, "We're going to do this today." No contracts, no layers of sign-off, just speed, trust, and empowerment. So, how can you apply this pro-failure philosophy? I've discovered 5 consistent principles that innovative companies embrace. Remove bureaucracy, cut back on rules, sign-off processes, and layers of hierarchy. Empower your teams to make decisions. Fix the incentives. Align what you want with what you incentivize. Reward innovation and risk-taking. Promote and fire. Promote those who fail fast, and remove those who fail fast and remove those who hinder progress. Influence trickles down from the top. Measure accurately. Establish KPIs and goals for increasing the failure rate. What you focus on grows. Share the failure. Disseminate the details of every failure throughout your organization. Failure is a form of intellectual capital. In conclusion, remember Law 21. You must fail the competition. Failure is not your enemy. It's your greatest ally on the path to success. So go out there, fail faster, experiment relentlessly, and fail your competition. Like Thomas J. Watson, Booking.com, Amazon, and countless others, you'll find that failure equals feedback, feedback equals knowledge, and knowledge equals power. Embrace the power of failure, and your success is just around the corner. If you found this video inspiring and insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more empowering content from chapter by chapter by chapter. Remember, you have the power to fail and outshine your competition. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.